Welcome to our monthly market wrap for the month of May. My name's Danelle Hunter and I'm from Biggin and Knox, and with me today I have David McGuinness.
Hello everyone, I'm from the commercial and industrial side in the southeastern corridor of Melbourne. So welcome everyone. Dan, tell us what's happening in the residential sales down in Knox.
Okay, currently the market is very strong at the moment. We've had about 16 sales for the month. We've had 100% clearance rate for our auctions, of which have sold for record-breaking prices. We actually had an auction a couple of weeks ago at 14 Renwick Road in Fenchurch Gully. That property was a standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, double garage, older style property. We had a huge turnout, 4 strong bidders, and it sold for a record-breaking price of $745,000.
Awesome.
So currently in the city of Knox as well, the medium house price is $630,000. We've had 227 properties for sale in the city of Knox throughout all the agents, and about 123 of them have sold currently.
Beautiful.
So everything is going really well at the moment.
Very good. 100% clearance rate. You've got to be happy with that.
Yes, we are. So
I think the industry average in the residential's 80, high 70s?
Think about that. So we've been lucky.
Very good, very good. Well, for the commercial sales side, we've had a good month. A standout one was a property we've been trying to sell for a while actually in Brunswick off Sydney Road. It was in a little arcade. It was a difficult one to sell. Mm-hmm. And we ended up selling that on a 7% yield, which was quite good. But what I'm noticing, there's a lot of properties that are coming into the market which are trying to appeal to investors. And I think I'm not criticising anyone here, but I think they're seeking some of the wrong advice. Now, it's advertised to an investor, but it might only have 1 year left on the lease. Okay. So an investor falls in love with a deal, not a property. So it's all about facts and figures and how much the return is. So a lot of the times they might be advertising this property, $250,000, and it has 6 months or a year left on the lease. And an investor thinks of that as a major risk because, I only have security of a year, and an owner-occupier isn't going to commit to that because if the tenant exercises their options, they're committed to that. So I'm seeing a lot of that at the moment, but the sales are going quite strong. End of the financial year is approaching. Their interest rates they're on hold still at an all-time low, which is good. But this time of year is a good time to get the property up and going.
Very good. So the residential rentals at the moment is also going very well. So we've had a very good month. About 12 properties have been leased this month, all getting in very good prices. Most of them we're finding are getting leased in around 7 days. Yeah. So I've been sort of putting them on the internet on the Monday, and by the following Monday we're processing applications and getting leases signed up. So that's really good. The vacancy rate at the moment is around 2.1% in the city of Knox as well. So.
Very good. Well, the commercial leasings, I wish the days on average were at that 7, but they're tending to stretch out. I'd say 3 months is sort of which is quite good in the industry of the commercial side of it all. I'm noticing everyone's starting their leases that I've signed up. I think we did another 3 last month, and everyone was signing them up on the 1st of July, new financial year, because that's how they're wanting to match them up. We've just got a new one that got launched this afternoon, and there's already been a number of inquiries been sent through. Anything sort of under the 500 square metres for lease, more the industrial side of it is very appealing. But an overall snapshot for the commercial market, properties that are leasing the strongest would have to be retail and industrial. Yep. Office is taking a fair bit longer because there's a lot of options out there. And in the eastern corridor, a lot of the offices, people were drawn to the city side of it all. But no, that's positive things for the new financial year, and I think there's going to be some great opportunities for landlords to capitalise on their investments.
Very good.
So thank you everyone for tuning in. If you do have any residential or commercial inquiries, whether it be sales, leasing or property management, we would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.